missed the show, so... Ah, this is what I need to remember. Yeah, but imagine if this was California and he could actually go into his bedroom and sleep in his bed. Just go to sleep in his bed. In California, you go and do stuff. You just don't look at it like this. You run around and open the drawers and shit happens.
This is such a cute little place, isn't it? Actually, you know, this would be a real cute little house. It has, you know, the rooms are nice and big.
It's a real couch. This doesn't work. That's it. That's the
Yeah. That's what
Oh, it's because the show just started. The show started like 2 minutes ago. Really? Yeah. You just...
It's time to meet Dude, Disney's unilateral digital electromagnetic computer. That's Dude for short. So let's get started. When I say go, you all say, hey Dude, what's happening? Ready, set, go!
My name is Dude, I'm number one. We're gonna have all kinds of fun. I'm the one who runs the show. I'm the master of the computer control. I brought you friends from near and far. You'll meet them now, each one's a star. Everybody clap, go clap. Everybody clap, clap, clap. He puts the bad guys out of love. So put it together, we're rocking well. Old bricks, new bricks, we all win. It's Blue and Louie come everyone stand up your feet. Stand, stand, stand. You'll laugh so hard you'll hit the roof. Goofy and nice. Stand, stand, stand. Wow. Here they are, fresh off the trail. The Rescue Rangers join them. To help us get it going today, here's my DJ protege. C-Day, C-Day, C-Day.
Y'all ready to have a great time? Yeah? Well, put your hands together. Let's start the show. Let's go. I am CJ, don't you know? You're all here. Come on, let's go. Clapping, cheering down the house. Here's our star. It's Mickey Mouse. He's supposed to be here. Wait a minute. Hey, dude, let's try this one more time, okay?
Clapping, cheering down the house. Here's our star. It's Mickey Mouse.
Well, maybe not. Hey, have you guys seen Mickey anywhere? Have you said no? Well, dude, what are we gonna do? We can't do our Boston numbers without Mickey
It's
and...
getting late. You gotta go. You can't wait, so start the show. If this mystery has you stuck, you need the help of Darkwing Duck.
Dude, you're totally geared. In order to find Mickey, we need the help of a master detective. A friend from Disney, straight from your Disney afternoon. A lot of smoke and he appears, master of surprise. Who's that cunning sure the bad guys are out of luck. 'Cause here comes Darkwing Duck.
When there's trouble, you call DW. Darkwing Duck. Let's get dangerous. Darkwing Duck.
You better watch out, you bad boys.
Darkwing Duck. I am the terror that flaps in the night. I am the soap scum on the top of crime. I am that, you know. So, what seems to be the problem here, CJ?
I'm really glad you're here, Darkwing. We need your help. We can't find Mickey anywhere.
The proverbial piece of cake, CJ.
Oh.
Merely another mystery of a missing mouse.
Oh.
Now, in order to crack this case, the first thing we need to do is to look for clues.
Clues? Like what, Darkwing?
Anything mysterious and out of the ordinary.
Oh, gee, I don't think I can. Hey, wait a second. There was a big box delivered backstage earlier today, and you know, Mickey was really excited. Well, when I asked him about it, he said it was a big surprise.
Wait, CJ, go get it. This could be just the clue we're looking for, junior detectives. So pay attention and watch the master at work.
Here it is, Darkwing. Are you sure this is a clue?
Patience, CJ. We need to inspect this evidence carefully. Open it up.
Excellent. Hey, it's empty.
Let's investigate a little closer.
Okay.
Turn the box completely around.
All right, Darkwing, whatever you say. You're the master detective.
Yes. Just as I thought.
What, Darkwing? What is it?
It's still empty.
Oh, hey, maybe there's something in this thing. There is.
Yes, the packing tube. Go ahead, CJ, read it.
Okay, you take this. It says, delivered to Mickey Mouse, Mickey Starland, handle with care. Oh, bogus, Darkwing, this isn't the clue we've been looking for. I'm gonna go backstage and look for Mickey. Now, if you see him, be sure to tell him I'm looking for him, okay? Out of here. See ya!
CJ! Brother, crime fighting is not as easy as it looks, compadres. Say, I wonder what this tag says. Do not remove under penalty of law? Yeah, right. Mickey, I did it! Mickey found another case closed thanks to Darkwing Duck. Come on, everybody, let's do everything again. Sure. Thank you. Deserve it. Good gosh! Thanks for getting me out of that box, Darkwing. Oh, nothing of it, amigo. Thanks to my keen insight, deductive reasoning, and nerves of steel. Here, pal, let me help you with that box. Oh, thanks, mister. Say, how did I do that? Well, I'm trying to learn a new magic trick, right? And the next thing you know... sorry, folks. Darkwing Duck. Hit it, dude!
That Darkwing Duck's the super sleuth. He found Mickey, that's the truth. Everybody clap, go clap. Clap, clap, clap.
Mickey's not in there. Have you guys seen him? Yeah! Which way did he go? Which way? That way. Thanks. Oh, hey, dude, keep the show rolling.
You wanna smile? You wanna grin? Here's the stars from Tailspin. You wanna laugh? Here's your chance when Baloo, Louie, and Mickey dance.
Let's begin it.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Fair and grin.
Spin it. Thanks for letting me get us to the tailspin. Oh yeah, tailspin. Forget your troubles, start to grin and do the tailspin. Spin. Spin it.
Alright, kids, on your feet now. We're all gonna do the tailspin together. All you have to do is
Be crazy cool
and have fun.
Come on now, follow up.
Push your arms way up high to the sky, start to fly, and now you gotta spin.
Come on.
Push your arms way up high. To the sky, start a fire, and now you got to sing. Spin it, get very ready when you're ready. You put it in the mirror when you spin it, spin it, spin it. So spin it. Tail spin. Let go. Start to grin into the tail spin. Spin it. Spin it again. Spin it. Let's get very grinning. When you're ready, you can win it in a minute. When you spin it, spin it, spin it. So spin it.
Thanks a lot, you tailspin guys. Now it's time to say bye-bye. Everybody clap, yo, clap. Clap, clap, clap.
That mouse isn't on Splash Mountain. Have you not seen him again? Up there?
Hey, CJ, you can't go. You gotta help us. Let me show those guys from Goof Troop on the range bring Max and Goofy to the stage.
What a great idea, dude. All right, everybody, you heard dude. When I say Goof Troop, I want you to say Goof Troop too. Let's try it. 4, 3, 2, 1, Goof Troop! Again, Goof Troop! All right, sounds good. Let's hit it. Like thunder, like sun, they're always number one. They're buddies, they're pals.
Yeah.
Always seem to work things out. Can't you see that two of a kind? Looking for a good time.
Real good boy.
Report to the Goof Troop!
We always stick together. We stick together.
We're the Goof Troop! We stick together. Side by side, wherever we go, we're always ready to roll. We're the Goof Troop, and we always stick together. We're the Goof Troop. Goof Troop, check it out.
Yours, that sure was fun, CJ. That's enough singing and dancing for now. Come on, son. We gotta get back to
Oh, no, wait a second, Goofy. You Goof Troop guys just got here. Can't you stay and party with us?
See, CJ, Max had to do a science project for school on electricity, so...
So Dad helped me invent our own electrical security system. It's really cool. You want to see how it works, CJ? Awesome, Max.
Oh, I don't know, son. We have to throw the bugs out here.
Oh, come on, Dad. Can't we show her? Pretty please, Goofy.
Oh, all right. Whatever you do, don't close the door.
Okay, Goofy. Whatever you say. Let's go. I'm his boy.
He's my pride and joy.
We work. We play.
Yeah.
We have fun every day. When you see small. When you need help, just call Chip and Dale. Rescue Rangers, Chip and Dale. No, it never fails when we're involved. Somehow, whatever's wrong, it's solved. Boy, am I glad you guys are here. CJ and my dad are trapped inside the house. I guess our home security system really works.
CJ, are you all right?
Hi, Mickey. Told everybody else to close the door, but I guess I forgot to tell myself.
Don't worry, Pop. You'll be out in no time. Because guess who I've got? Chip and Dale. Rescue Rangers, Chip and Dale. Just dynamite! Dynamite! Chip and Dale! Rescue Rangers! Chip and Dale! Chip and Dale! Rescue Rangers! Chip and Dale! Chip and Dale! Rescue Rangers! Chip and Dale! Chip and Dale!
Is there trouble somewhere?
Oh man, what a blowout!
You said it, Fuzzy.
You did it, guys! Pop, are you alright?
Yep, sure, son. I guess we got our wires crossed.
Gee, that sure was some swell science project you do. CJ, are you up?
Mickey, there you are! I've been looking everywhere for you. Look, everybody, we found Mickey! Woo! Hey, maybe now we can do our finale. What do you think, Nick, huh? It's been great to have you here. I guess it's pretty clear. There's so much to do, and we do just fine.
Any kind of weather, we get together.
In the afternoon, and always nice and fun, and the party's just begun. Ain't got weather, we together all the Disney out there. Hey, dude, where did the time go today? I'm so glad we had this time just to play. Hope you made a bunch of new friends here. We had the best time in Mickey's Starlight Show.
Solving mysteries here and now. Darkwing Duck, take a bow.
Thank you. And thank you too. Oh, really, you're so kind. It's such a talent. Thank you.
You know we have to do it again by Lou and Louie. Tailspin.
I'm gonna strut my stuff on out of here. See you later.
Yeah, I'm gone, man. Solid gone.
Hey Max, hey Goofy, it's been fun. You Goof Troop guys are number one.
See ya! Later, dude!
Oh, Chip and Dale, you know your stuff. You rescue rangers, you're too tough.
Yeah!